Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I am standing next to this beautiful 2024 Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS. 38 GLS is a wonderful cruising boat. Take the family out, take some friends out, great for entertainment. And then if you do want to take a overnight, got plenty of room for that. So let's go take a look and see what we got. So obviously you can see the white with the black on the side hull here. Nice hard top on the tower there. As we come back to the swim platform, got a couple different options here. You can obviously keep this up in here. You got plenty of space, jumping in, hanging out with all the family. And then we also have the option hydraulic swim platform. So once the drives are all the way trimmed down, you can hit a button and this whole swim platform will deploy down into the water. And you can use it to stand on it, get yourself back up to the boat, whatever you want to do if you're hanging out with the family. Great place to be by the beach too if you'd like. There is also a boarding ladder here on this side of the boat. So plenty to see on the inside. Why don't you join me on board? All right, well, welcome aboard the 38 GLS. I want to start in the back here because this is the big entertainment area. Let's say you got your friends and family out here, you're having some drinks and just having a great time. I've got seating along here. I've got a massive swim platform to walk on. And then they do have what they call the beach door. So this is the door that opens up. I got a button right over here. I can hit that button and then the beach door goes all the way down. And then when you're done, you hit that button, it comes all the way back up. One thing here with the backrest, there's a little button over here. I can press that. I can turn this, locks into place. You got people maybe sitting here facing this way, people sitting there facing that way. So just some different options. And then as we come into the cockpit area, just want to point out the nice seating. You got some nice L-shaped seating right here. I've got storage under here. I've got storage underneath all these seats right in here as well. This is a spot for your table. Set that up. Got a spot for a table right there as well. So let's take a look at the entertaining portion here. So we've got the nice electric grill right up in here. So electric grill, get your grill on. Then we've got the nice refrigerator down into here. Bring all the stuff that you need. I've got a nice place in here for some storage. We obviously have the sink. Another option back into here, I can put a TV right there, get it plugged in, and have your TV sitting right here as well. Cup holders all the way around. And then part of my favorite thing, this is probably where I would sit, is there's two bar stools right here. You've got your spot right here. Hopefully you have a bartender sitting right there helping you out during the day. So let's take a look at this top. So right now you can see that it's wide open. I've got air coming through. Great. Now I can actually just pull this manually, lock it in place, and now on those cool days I can have that shut and be all set to go. All right, I wanted to show you this amazing engine compartment here in the 38 GLS. As you can see, the engine hatch goes up really nice and high, gives you a lot of space into here. This particular one, we've got the twin 8.2 mag HO big block V8s. This does come with Bravo 3, so you got the twin props and then also the joystick control to control these in here. We do have a nice generator, the Kohler generator that is underneath here for this particular model. You're all set to go. This model does not have the Seakeeper, but the Seakeeper is an option for the 38 GLS. So this is an amazing spot. All right, welcome to the helm of this 38 GLS. So one of the coolest looking things is this steering wheel right here. You got the awesome Cruisers Yachts logo right in here. Feels real nice on your hands, real easy to grip. It is maneuverable up and down, so you can make adjustments. I've got a nice little footwell right here and a bolster seat to get me up a little bit higher if I want to see a little bit higher. And obviously you can put that bolster down if you need to get down a little bit. So right here at the helm, we have two 12-inch Simrad screens. You can put whatever you like into here. I've got my GPS, I've got my engines, I've got a little bit of everything. So like I mentioned earlier, we have the twin Mercury 8.2 mags on this particular model. So we've got our twin throttles right in here. You can use just one throttle, you can use both throttles at the same time. This boat does come with active trim, so the trim can maneuver automatically whatever level you'd like it to have it. And then you have the awesome joystick control. So if I'm parking the boat or bringing it around docks, whatever it is, I can do low maneuvers with this joystick and be like a pro. Don't have to touch the steering wheel, don't have to touch the throttles, just use the joystick. And another wonderful feature of the joystick is called Skyhook. If I want to place my boat in a specific area, GPSed, I can hit the Skyhook and the boat will sit in that location. Maybe I'm waiting for somebody to come through a bridge, and then until it's my turn, I can hit that Skyhook and just sit there and not have to worry about a thing. It's very, really nice, and really like that feature. And then moving on to the stereo system, this boat is equipped with Rockford Fosgate. There are speakers everywhere in the boat, cockpit, up in the bow, down in the cabin area, and we got the Rockford Fosgate subwoofer as well, and you can control it right here. There's a couple of these throughout the boat as well. All right, welcome to the bow of the 38 GLS. So this is what makes this boat pretty unique. Being a cruising boat, a lot of times back in the day, this was just covered. It wasn't a lot of usable space. Now it's massive usable space. So I've got 2 or 3, maybe even 4 people that can fit right into here. We do have filler cushions that you can fill in right here. I can put a table right up in here. I also have access to my windlass anchor up at the bow as well. And then, like I mentioned, Rockford Fosgate. We've got another speaker up here with controls as well. So you could spend all day up here in the bow of the 38 GLS. All right, and the last place I wanted to show you now in this 38 GLS is the cabin area. So on those days that you want to come down here, maybe have a nice meal, or if you're ready to stay over for the night, there's some nice features down in here to keep you comfortable during that time. So obviously you can see I got the nice teak table right into here. I've got some seating all the way around. This does flip up. Someone needs to get back into there. This whole area also can be converted into a sleeping area with a cushion. This will drop down and you can have your sleeping area right into here. Right over here we have our TV, we have a refrigerator, and we have a microwave down here again to keep yourself nice and comfortable. And then when you're ready to go to sleep as well, underneath in the V-berth is some nice sleeping area with some pillows, and you have just some nice space down in there if you want to spend a couple nights. Now I'm going to get up and I'm going to open up the head. So the head is a very spacious head, easy to step into. We've got a nice sink right in here, storage all the way around, and you got your toilet. And again, this is a wet head as well, so if you do want to take a shower, you do have that ability. So all right, well, I appreciate you taking a walk with me on this 2024 38 GLS. This boat is available here in our Minnesota location. If you want to come and take a look, you can either set up an appointment to schedule a demo or just stop on by. We'd love to show you the boat. As always, please click the like button for this particular video and click to subscribe to see all the videos that MarineMax is putting out on a daily basis.